Hi guys, I have reached the location. See, you can see in the background, and I'll show you. This is how they live. See guys, this is how they live. Oh, आमगे handsome uncle. आत दाखोय. वचय. Yes. हय. आमगेलो रवी हरमळकर. So this is how they live guys. असं तर ना ती ते साइड असं. And here they've got the friends also, animals. So guys, now आता सध्या अंकलाकडे उलयन जाल्ले आसा. So पळया अंकलाक सध्या टाइम जाय होय. He thinks that in this the entire mess, as I told you all before also, I know a lot of families. जायते जाणटे बायलो बीन हांव वळखता तांकां आपणालें घर सोडून वचपाक नाका. ताका हांवें क्लियरली सांगलेलें. I understand the mentality of old people because they do not like to leave the place that they have been living in. So he feels that in this entire thing, हे पळय तुमकां दिसती पडटा तितून भितर he's got his memories. He has his memories which he does not want to get washed, which we cannot play with. Although we want to do the best for them, we cannot play with their sentiments. We will see whatever best we can do. Remove all these things from here and see whether we can make a temporary structure at least, because this place is supposed to be going off in the road widening. See, this is the road guys. It's right touching the road. Highway over here. Yeah, this is the road and this is the house. So it is supposed to be going in a road widening. So they have been allotted some plot on top. So the Mamledar has contacted me. So he has told me that he will try and get me the information as to what can be done and what can be built for them. And to build their house, then I have told the Mamledar that I will give the finances to build whatever small kind of house that they want. But right now he is not ready to give up all the mess that he has got. So he feels that there are some old valuables in the mess, but then he does not want to get rid of it. And so that is how they live. This is how they live. That is their cooking area. The animals. And so he is used to living this way. Uncle, तुका हे सगळे काढचो, हे सगळे क्लियर करू हांव वरां हांव वता घरा. So he feels that his mother, तुगे मायगे बी भांगार हा दिसत मरे तुका भितर आसतो म्हणून. हय. So he feels his mother's gold which they wear for prayers and all. So he feels that would be there inside. So तो क्लियर करू दिना अंकल. बरो या हा काय क्लियर हात लावप ना म्हणतो आस्तेशी आस दिया. And they sleep in only this small area. They sleep. So अंकलाक याद चोया मामलेदार उलयलो हा वयर कित लुगार हा थिंग बांदून दिले वयतो मरे तू. नालू नावार करूया रे, ते करून दिया रे तुका. आता सगळी कडेन तू रावलो, काही नावार ना, पेपर काही नाही तुकडे. आता कितली दीस रावतो तू. आता कोण भाटकार आहा तेण सांगलो हा बाबा आम्ही तू धाकटे घर बांदून दी, आम प्रॉब्लेम ना म्हण सांगलो हा. तुमकां रावपा तितू ते बांदून दित न्ही तुमकां घर, टॉयलेट आणि एक धाकटो रूम आणि तुमकां रांदपा बांदपा सगळे गॅस बस सगळे हाडून दिता दोगांयकूय. हे तुगे सामान हाटलें एक लुगार करया, हे सगळे सामान तुगे थिंग दवरया लुगरान. कोण हात लावपा ना तुगे सामान. आहा तितले सामान टेम्पो भरया, हाटलें एक एश कोन्न शेड घायन थिंग ते सामान सगळे पॅक करून दवरया. तुगे आहा तितले सामान तुका जाय मरे ते सामान आख्खे. So guys, he has got sentimental values. He's got sentimental values to all this that is there. नी सगळे सामान आहा. So everybody has some sentimental values to our old t-shirt, old short pant or shoes which we are used to. So he also has got some sentimental values to whatever. For us it may look scrap, but for him he's got sentimental values to it. So let's see. They have been allotted some area upstairs. There was a Mamledar who contacted me and he said he will try and help us with it. So तेदो म्हळ्यार दिता तूं मातशें बरे भाशेन रावपा हांव तुका कोण दिता लुगार राखो थिंग तुम दोगूय राव तुगे भयणी देखून ओके येता न्ही Okay. So guys, I have reached, as promised, I have reached here. I will see whatever best possible I can do for them. And once the authorities give me a green signal as to where we can build, because simply going and building doesn't make any sense. So because if somebody comes and again it's going to go under widening, this area is supposed to go under widening. So I cannot just come build something and give. We need to take proper permissions. Build something permanent and give them and take saman सगळे कितें आहा अंकला चोड सारको he is attached to all his old things. होय सो गव्हर्मेंटान स्वाद दिलो हा हूंय बिनानी कडेन सो ते कटकूच मागीर तेगे सगळे बांदून दिवपाचे हांव बांदून दिता तुका आणि तुगे सामान सगळे आहा तितले सामान तुगेले एक कडेन हाटल्या आमी पॅक करून दवरया बरे भाशेन कोण व्हरपाना तुगे सामान आहा तितले तुगे थिंग रेडिओ आहा कितें ते ग्लासा पॉट आहा कितें कितें आहा तुगेले कळटा So he's got some radios and some old antique things. A lot of people have stolen and taken, and so we will try and safely keep all his equipments, and we'll try to do whatever best possible. Let's see. The Mamledar just came here, met me and went. He's told me that he'll try and help us in whatever possible way, and we'll build a very small room which is affordable for me in my budget and give. Let's see how soon we can do that. Thank you so much, guys.